What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Product. If you are looking for the best indoor grill with air fry to upgrade your kitchen game, you are going to love this one. Today, we are checking out a powerful and smart cooking solution that does almost everything. Let's get started. This is the Ninja DG551 Indoor Grill with Air Fry, part of the Ninja Foodie Smart XL grill line. It combines an indoor grill and an air fryer in one compact appliance. So instead of filling your counter with different machines, you get multiple cooking options in a single unit. It keeps your kitchen simple and organized. One of the most impressive features of the Ninja DG551 Indoor Grill with Air Fry is the Smart Cook system. It comes with a built-in precision thermometer that helps you cook meat exactly the way you like it. You can choose from 4 protein settings and 9 different doneness levels, from rare to well done. You just set it and let the grill do the work. This removes the guesswork and gives you consistent results every time. The cyclonic grilling technology is another highlight. It uses 500 degrees Fahrenheit of hot cyclonic air together with a 500 degrees Fahrenheit grill grate. This powerful heat surrounds your food and gives it those beautiful char-grilled marks. It locks in flavor and makes your food taste like it came straight from a restaurant grill. The Ninja DG551 Indoor Grill with Air Fry also offers 6 cooking functions. You can grill, air crisp, roast, bake, broil, and even dehydrate. Thanks to its wide temperature range, you have full control over how you cook. Whether you want crispy fries, roasted vegetables, baked dishes, or dried snacks, this one appliance can handle it. When it comes to air frying, it helps reduce fat by up to 75% compared to traditional deep frying. The included 4-quart crisper basket allows hot air to circulate around the food, giving you that crispy texture without heavy oil. It is a great way to enjoy your favorite fried foods in a lighter way. Indoor grilling can sometimes mean too much smoke, but the Ninja DG551 Indoor Grill with Air includes a smoke control system. It uses a temperature-controlled grill grate, a splatter shield, and a cool air zone to reduce smoke and strong odors. This means you can grill indoors more comfortably. It also cooks frozen foods quickly. You can go from frozen to perfectly char-grilled in under 25 minutes, which saves time and makes meal preparation easier. Cleaning is simple too. The ceramic-coated grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are removable and dishwasher safe. They are also free from PTFE and PFOA, giving you peace of mind. With 1,760 watts of power and 120 volts, this grill delivers strong and steady performance while still fitting nicely on your countertop. This is a serious kitchen upgrade. Check the price link in the description to see the latest deal. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more simple and helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.